Kike's cubs are now on the brink of adulthood, but they still rely on their mother and are as playful as ever. But they're getting bigger and hungrier. Kike will soon struggle to feed them. She must prepare them for a life without her. Her daughter is the keenest student, much more focused than her brothers. Cheetah mothers are lone parents and lone providers. One day her daughter will be a mother too, so she watches everything her mother does. It's her daughter who practices the stranglehold, the one that subdues. Kike can't provide for 3 full-grown cubs much longer, but they've yet to prove themselves. And they have so little time.